I'm going to show you the fastest and easiest way to make a spare key without leaving your driveway. In just a matter of minutes, I'm going to go from this key to these 3 keys with the help of Tom's Key Company and this little programming tool. Let's jump in the vehicle and get this started. Be sure you watch through the whole video. I've got 2 surprises for you. First, the key by photo key cutting technology. It's absolutely amazing. And second, we're gonna make a phone call to the car dealership and find out how much they wanna rip me off for to make a spare key when you can do it all without leaving your driveway with the help of Tom's Key Company. All right, before I show you how easy it is to make a spare key with Tom's Key Company, I'm gonna start a phone call to the Ford dealership to find out how much they wanna rip me off for and how long I need to plan to spend in their waiting room. And let me give you a hint. It's going to be way longer and way more expensive than Tom's Key Company. Let's get this call started. By the time we're done with this call, I'll have a key programmed probably before they can even give me a quote. Let's jump in the car, get started programming while I wait for the Ford dealership. Okay, we've got 3 keys here. This one with the tile key finders, our original key that starts the engine. The buttons work to lock and unlock the doors and such. So you must have 1 working key in order to make a spare key, or more than 1 spare keys. Like today, we'll be programming these 2 spare keys. They do not work currently. They've been cut with our key by photo key cutting service, but if I try to start the engine, I just get a no key detected error. Whereas our working key, of course, works and car starts right up. So let's get started. We gotta scan the QR code, get the app installed. Okay, with the app installed, we can pair my key. All right, getting started, we need to plug the programmer into the OBD port. That's really easy. Simply come down near your gas and brake pedal. On a lot of vehicles, it's up here, but on this Ford Focus, it's actually behind a little panel right there. So we're gonna plug that guy in. Now, one thing I don't like is I can't see what's happening with the programmer. So we sell this optional extension cable that with the extension cable in place, we can now see what's going on. In this case, we've got power and we need to get it connected via Bluetooth. So back on my app, I press to scan. Okay, we found the matching serial number, make that connection and continue. And we see our COM light or Bluetooth light is turned on. So let's go ahead and begin programming. Now, I do want to point out, you can contact tech support. They're available regular Monday through Friday business hours, and they can help if you run into problems. Give them a call, they'll take care of you. Okay, let's begin programming. Calibrating the tool, please wait. We need to put the vehicle information in. Multiple ways to do that. License plate's usually the easiest. Okay, with the license plate in, we can check the plate. Unfortunately, it couldn't find the vehicle, so we can select manually. This is a Ford 2014 Ford Focus. Continue. Okay. Key or remote? Well, we've got a key that you turn the ignition like that. Some important tips. Keep the app open. Don't leave and go to other apps. Got to be patient here. Make sure we've got all working keys with us, which we do. We only have 1 working key. That's this guy. And we need to have a strong cell or Wi-Fi connection. It should take 15 minutes. All right, let's start programming. Okay, well, this gets going. Let me give you tips and hints. Don't let your vehicle battery die. So make sure you turn off your HVAC, the radio. Don't be trying to run air conditioning or heat. Turn the headlights off, turn the interior lights off. Anything that's drawing battery from your vehicle car, you don't want it to drain in the middle of programming. Because this can take up to 15 minutes, do yourself a favor, avoid a mess, remember to stay in the app, and don't have things drawing on your vehicle battery. If you know your vehicle battery is weak, you can put a trickle charger onto it before you start programming to ensure it doesn't drain. Okay, I'm watching my Bluetooth light here, communication light. All right, we're at 95%. I'm watching my Bluetooth light here, and let's see what happens. Okay, preparing for programming. Get ready. All right, Bluetooth turned off. Please wait. We should see that turn back on. There we go. Back on. All right, insert your new key. Flick the ignition 2 clicks forward to the on position. So here's my new key. Put it into the ignition, turn it 2 clicks. 1, 2. I'm going to hit continue. The engine is not running. Current number of keys is 2. I was just seeing a key not detected on the dash. Go ahead and hit continue. Reading vehicle data, please wait 1 to 2 minutes. Okay, it's very normal to get some different lights flashing. We heard a chime a moment ago. Lights turning off. The programmer is communicating with the vehicle computer. Okay, we got a success notice. Excellent. Current number of keys, 3. Awesome. Programming completed. Come back to the main menu. Attempt to start the engine with your new key. System is restarting. Okay. It tells me it was successful. Let's find out. I'm going to disconnect the programmer and get it out of the way. Here we go. Moment of truth. Just program this guy. Look at that. The engine fired right up. Took less than 5 minutes. Isn't that amazing? The dealership wants how much time? Wait till you find out when we finally get an answer on this phone call I started.
Thank you for calling. How may I direct your call?
Yeah, I need the service department.
Of course. 1 moment. What service can I help you?
Yeah, I'm trying to find out how much it costs to get a spare key for a Ford Focus.
Okay, you got to speak to the parts department, so let me transfer you over.
Okay. All right, we're playing ping pong. Off to the parts department now. I don't even have a quote yet from the Ford dealership. I'm still on hold. I'm halfway done programming a spare key in the car. You can't get the first Ford dealership to even answer the phone. They put me into endless hold. I'm going to try a different one. We'll come back to this call later. So remember, this purple one, still not programmed to start the engine. The remote button's programmed separately from the chip that allows it to start the engine. So let's go ahead and get that done. Got our OBD. Never unplug this. It's still in there connected. Let's go ahead and get the key programmed on this purple one. We'll fast forward this. It's the very same procedure we did before. Program the key, gives us the same tips. Current number of keys is 4. Program completed successfully. Okay, let's get this thing unplugged and fire up the engine. Boom! Look at that. We've got 3 keys for this Ford Focus. Now, on many of these Fords, the remote button's programmed separately. So let's see. Yeah, see, not programmed yet. By the way, my original key, it still works just fine. All right, are they working properly? Yes. Do we need support? No. Okay, let's come and get the remote buttons programmed on our key now. Please wait, reading serial number. Okay, let's go ahead and begin programming. Calibrating the tool, please wait. Of course, repeating those important reminders for us. We got to enter all the same stuff we did before. We get back here. Now we're on the remote procedure. Okay, there's an important warning here. This is not for vehicles with a push button start. This is a turnkey ignition, so we just want to program the remote, so that is the correct thing. Here's some tips. All right, let's go ahead and start programming. Make sure the ignition off, there's no key inserted, okay? All available remotes need to be reprogrammed, okay? Program remotes. All right, all the vehicle doors are unlocked. Go ahead and hit continue. Insert any key in the ignition. Quickly turn it on and off 8 times within 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, we just heard a beep. I'll go ahead and hit continue. Press the lock button on remote program. We'll do this for all keys now. Okay, heard a beep. Here's our existing one that needs to be reprogrammed. And the new one here, it's a little hard to see, but I gotta click it while it's in the ignition. There. Okay, the door is locked finally. Hit continue. Remove the key to exit programming. And we can test our remotes. Okay. Okay, with all our remotes here, let's check them. First one worked. Here's the original one. Okay, it worked. And here's the blue one. Excellent. All the remotes are working. Perfect. So programming complete. Test the function on your remotes now. Yes, they're working properly. No, we don't need support. Can you believe how easy that was? we've got 3 keys for this vehicle now. Be sure you add our optional key by photo key cutting service. It's pretty cool. You're gonna snap 3 photos of your key blade. Get your phone directly above it. Go ahead and turn the key a couple different directions. Get those 3 photos with the phone right above the key blade. Send it in, and then with the magic of our key by photo technology, we're gonna cut your new key so it arrives already fitting your vehicle. It is absolutely amazing. Let's see how the phone call with the car dealership's going. All right, trying the second Ford dealership. Let's hope they answer their phone for me.
Thank you for calling the service department.
Hi, I'm trying to find out how much it costs to get a spare key made for my Ford Focus.
On average, it's about $500 to $600. What? Depends on the car. We're the service department, so we don't know the price on the parts.
Yep.
I can try to transfer you over to see if they can give you a price on parts.
Okay.
To program a key, it's about $219 to $235.
$219 to $235. Okay, plus the parts.
Yeah.
How long do I need to plan to be at the dealership to get my key programmed?
It takes about 3 to 4 hours.
Okay, so a pretty good while.
Let me transfer you over, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Thank you for calling Ford.
Ouch, did you hear that? He said $500 to $600 in 3 to 4 hours. Yeah, I'm trying to find out how much it costs for a spare key for 2014 Ford Focus.
The key's $225.99 plus tax and $50 to cut it.
Okay, $225 plus tax plus $50 to cut it, so about $275 plus tax. Okay.
You're
All right.
welcome, sir.
Thank you so much. Did you hear that? $225 for the service department plus $275 for the key. I'm at $500. $500 at the Ford dealership to make this spare key. That's absolutely outrageous. And did you hear the service guy? He said plan on 3 to 4 hours in the waiting room. I don't have all that time. At Tom's Key Company, we'll ship you the key, we'll cut it from a photo. It's gonna cost you hundreds of dollars less, and it's gonna take you less than 15 minutes to program the key sitting right in your driveway. Can you believe how much they want to rip you off for at the Ford dealership? Come to tomskey.com. You'll save hours of time and hundreds of dollars. And what's more, we provide amazing customer service and a full money-back guarantee. If you run into problems, we're here to help you. And if we can't solve the problem and you don't get a working key, ship it all back, you get a full refund. There's nothing to lose. Come to Tom's Key Company, get your spare key ordered today. Be sure you add our key by photo key cutting service. You'll save hundreds of dollars and hours of time getting a spare key with the help of Tom's Key Company.